Mom, I really want to go home. It's getting bad.
How was your journey?
Very pleasant, thank you.
Good. Gretchen, come say hi.
What's up? I'm your neighbor. I haven't heard about you.
Why would you have heard about me?
How would you like to come work for me at the resort?
This happens sometimes. You look like you don't belong here.
Why is there nobody working the reception after 10?
I want you to lock the doors and wait for me. I will come pick you up right now. If I were you, I wouldn't want to get hurt even more.
Why did you bring us here?
Your family belongs here.
That's a weird way to put it.
You told the police that you were chased by a woman.
I think I'm crazy.
Nature is quite remarkable.
Oh, it feels so good. We have to go.
Some species need our help. I'm giving you the chance to be of great use in our quest for preservation. Consider yourself lucky.
Cuckoo premieres Saturday, February 15th, 9 p.m. on HBO.